Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is crispy egg french fries. It's so crispy and yummy, delicious. Let's see. 3 potatoes. Peel it. Peel it. And cut it into small piece slices. Cut it like this, small piece slices. Put into a bowl and 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon oregano and mix it. Mix it well. If you do with your hands, it will be great. Half cup flour. Use your hands to make it more. On the flame and keep a pan. Pour vegetable oil and fry it. Put it all over. Let it fry for 5 minutes till it becomes golden brown. Spread the fries. Low flame and take it. Crispy egg french fries is ready.